biggest modern kung fu channel. I'm Emily, and this is lesson 5 of the snake kung fu.
Emily, so you have years experience for snake kung fu technique and self-defense. How about if I just go? That's a great class.
So when you grab the punch, first you're going to cut the joint, and then you're going to step in, and then you're going to lock the arm.
Well, this is great. Okay, Emily, you say my left hand is free. How about if I go? Wow! That is great. That is a secret cake from snake. Okay, Emily. So I love everything you do except that cake. But actually, I love it. Yeah, that's a great technique. It's so dangerous, and that small cake it can be really finish the game. Yeah. Okay. So now I try to blocking or avoid that cake and see whatever you want to do after that with your technique, right? Let's try with that. Alright, this is dangerous, but I blocked by my left hand. What are you gonna do after? Whoa, this is dangerous. Wow, that's a great elbow. If I don't block, that's really go to my chin and knock me out. But luckily, I blocked. Then what are you gonna do after? Family, that is so great. I love fun. We should do more about that, right? So let's go to step-by-step tutorial for snake kung fu lesson 5. Let's go. All right, so start from the last move, from the lesson. Yeah, from lesson 4. Yeah. Okay, so you block your left, and then you go snake hand to attack, right? So now your left hand to make a small circle, actually blocking the arm. Intention is right there, and then you press. Right, to get the arm. And after that, and you go open same time you make that dangerous cake. Perfect. And after that, you step left. And power. Boom, elbow. Yeah, very nice. And then you twist a little bit and go attack. Your left. Attack, swing. Perfect. And you go right snake. And left snake with your first stance and go down. You can see it, right? So turn my toe, and you say this is the line straight, and then you go really attack. So otherwise you go 45 up, it doesn't work. All right. So remember that a dangerous cake with the secret of snake kung fu. Thank you very much for today, and Emily, we're gonna do this more. Yes. All right. So say something to 10,000 fans in Modern Kung Fu channel. What do you gotta say?
Bye.
Oh. Just that's it.